10 essential travel tips for first-time travelers. Planning your first trip can be exciting but also a little overwhelming. In this video, I'm going to share the 10 essential travel tips for first-time travelers that will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Tip 1. Research your destination. Before start a trip, do some research about your destination. Find out about the culture, weather, and any local customs you should be aware of. This helps you pack smartly and avoid any unnecessary situations. For example, if you plan trip to Kodaikanal means research about hotels, attractions, food options, cab services, climate condition, how to reach like this. Tip 2. Pack smart. Pack light and smart. Stick to essentials, use packing cubes to organize your bag, and always check your airline's baggage policy to avoid any extra fees. And don't forget the must-haves, passport, tickets, and chargers. Tip 3. Make copies of important documents. Make sure to keep copies of important documents like your passport, visas, and travel insurance. Have both digital and physical copies stored in different places just in case. Tip 4. Book accommodations in advance. Always book your accommodations in advance. This not only saves you money but also ensures you have a safe and comfortable place to stay when you arrive. Last minute's book will make to suffer during season time, so plan accordingly. Tip 5. Travel insurance is a must. If you are planning to travel foreign countries, then travel insurance is essential, especially for first-time travelers. It covers unexpected situations like medical emergencies, cancellations, or lost luggage, giving you peace of mind. Tip 6. Learn basic phrases of the local language. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Words like hello, thank you, and where is the restroom can make your interactions smoother and show respect for the local culture. For example, if you are visit the South America countries, then learn few important words in Spanish like hola, gracias, por favor, etc. Tip 7. Stay connected with offline maps. Download offline maps before your trip. Apps like Google Maps allow you to use navigation even without data, which is super handy when you are exploring a new place. Tip 8. Keep a travel budget. Set a travel budget and stick to it. Make a list of expected expenses like food, accommodation, and transportation, and keep track of your spending to avoid surprises. Tip 9. Stay aware of local laws and customs. Be mindful of the local laws and customs. What might be acceptable in one country could be frowned upon in another, so always make an effort to understand and respect the local culture. Tip 10. Stay flexible and open-minded. Finally, remember to stay flexible and open-minded. Travel can be unpredictable, and things may not always go as planned. Embrace the adventure and make the most out of every situation. Final thoughts. So, those are the 10 essential travel tips for first-time travelers. Whether you are heading on a solo trip or with friends, these tips will help you travel confidently and enjoy your adventure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more travel advice, and comment below if you have any additional tips or questions.